Looking for something fun and educational for your kids to do? I have the perfect thing for you. Hi, I'm Cheryl Dickens, and I'm one of the branch managers for the Halifax County Library System, and I'm here to introduce a brand new item that we currently have in circulation here at the Halifax County Library System, the PlayAway Launchpad. This Launchpad is filled with fun activities for your child to continue learning and having fun at the same time. And the best part, you don't need internet access. Do you want to learn more about these PlayAway Launchpads? Well, let's visit one of my librarian friends in the Littleton, North Carolina area. Miss Kim, can you tell us more about the PlayAway Launchpads?
Hello. Today I would like to introduce you to some of the newest resources that will be available within the Halifax County Library System. We have 5 branches located in Halifax, Weldon, Enfield, Littleton, and Scotland Neck, and each library will have access to these devices. These are PlayAway Launchpads. They are preloaded learning tablets that require no internet, no Wi-Fi for you to be able to use them. You'll be able to check them out from your library and take them home to use, or you can check them out and use them while you're in the library. They are preloaded with fun games for all ages from pre-K all the way up to teens. The one that I will be demoing today is called Top the Scoreboard, Brain Games for Teens. So what I also want to let you know is that these were purchased with grants from the Federal Institute of Museum and Library Services and administered by the State Library of North Carolina. They made access to these devices possible, and we would like to thank them. So you start by opening here on the side. You just want to pull apart here. And what we have on this side are directions on your device. Here you see there's an arrow that turns to the left and a home button. This is for go back and return home while you're using your device. There is how to play instructions. So to start the device, you press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You turn it on and off with that same button. You can navigate your Launchpad by going back or going home. And then on the side, located right here on this side of your device, is your power on and off, an audio jack for you to plug in your earbuds, a USB input for you to plug in your power cord, and up and down for your volume. And on this side are your power cord here and your device. You simply want to lift here and slide out, and we'll get started. So this is what your device will look like. And here on the side, you can see the power button, the port for your earbuds, the port for your USB for power, and your up and down for your volume. So we want to press this button right here and hold it for 3 seconds, and this will turn on your device. So it will go through the startup process, and it will only take a moment. And once we get started, I'm going to show you some cool features, and then we're going to play a game. And remember that these are preloaded. They require no internet. They require no Wi-Fi, but they are so much fun and educational at the same time. So I've previously started this device, but I want to reset it so I can show you from the beginning. So this is what comes, the first screen that comes on when you turn your device on. So you can change what your background color is. Where this is a darker color, you can change it by sliding this arrow right here with your finger. We're going to make it purple because purple is my favorite. And we can hit the continue button. And you can give it its own look here. My name is Kim, so I'm going to slide over to the K's and I'm going to make my K look like that. So I selected my letter and I selected my color. Then I'm going to hit next. So you can also pick how you want it to look. It can be small, medium, or large, and I'm going to pick large, and then I'm going to click Start Playing. So this screen first gives you quick tips on how to navigate around your device. So we don't want to pass this, we want to do all of the steps. So I will press next to show you. Then right here is your back button. This is how you go back to the previous screen. Continue. This is your home button. This returns you to the start screen. Continue. Up here in this corner, you see this that looks like a house. This is Apps Home. Use this to return to the Apps screen, to this screen right here where all of the apps are. Continue. Bonus apps, explore productivity, tools, and brain games. Right here, you see this plus button. Settings, adjust your display, turn on text to speech, or change your background. Those are some features that are also part of this device. You see the little wheel right there for settings, and we'll click continue. And then help. There's a question mark in a circle right here. See Launchpad quick tips one more time. But we won't. We're going to click done, and now we're going to play. So this is the first set of 8 games that are on your device, and if you scroll over to the right, you'll see that there's a few more. I want to show you how to play one of the games. It's called Not a Brain Buster, and I have played this game before. It is fun, but it is difficult. So to play, you just simply want to tap on your device, and your device you will need to turn here, and it'll take a moment for the game to load. So we don't want to be in challenge mode yet. We want to just play in classic mode. So I'm going to click play. So the beginning, 10 steps to normal. So we click that. Okay, so the goal of the game is to swipe up, down, left, or right to reach the direction matching the instruction on the cube. Okay, so got that? We're going to click OK. Okay, the beginning, so swipe up. Oh, I didn't swipe up. But that's okay. It'll restart for me. Swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right, swipe right, swipe left, right, up, right. Oops. I didn't do what it said. Let's start over. Up, down, left, right, right, up, down, left, up, right. Okay, good. We passed the first level. Now it's going to get harder. So, 20 steps. Okay, swipe up, down, left, or right to reach the direction matching the instructions on the cube. Keep in mind, you want to match the instructions on the cube. Swipe up, not up, up, not right, down, down. Not up is down, up, up. Not down is right, down, right, up, up. Not up is down, not right is left, not up is down, up, right, uh-oh. Right, right, left, up. Okay, so did you get the idea, boys and girls, or whoever might be playing this game, that if you want to go left, you go left. So if it says not left, what does that tell you? It means you go the opposite of left, which can be up, right, or down. If it says not right, you can go the opposite of right, which is up, left, or down. So you want to go opposite when it says not. To continue this game, it'll eventually tell you to go not right, not left, not up, not down. It continues and it gets harder as each level goes. And it's so much fun and it goes so fast and it really is a joy to play. So we are going to end our demo on the game here. And I just want to show you that you can tap the screen. We don't want to play anymore. So we're going to go to settings and we're going to hit close. That doesn't get us back home. If we are holding the game like this, then we can hold right here in the little black part and pull up a little bit, and it'll bring us those two navigating tools, the one to go back to the previous page or the one to go back to the home screen. Let's go back to the home screen, and it'll take me back to where my icon is, my K, and it'll take me back to my games. And from here, I just want to turn off my device because I'm done for the moment. So I'm going to turn here and press and hold, and it'll give you the option to power off or reboot. And we are going to power off our device to save its power. And then once we're done, we're going to ease it back into its case by sliding it into, so these corners meet first, and then pop it in there on the side. The paper has slid down, and now your device is safely back within its case, and you'll close it and lock it in, and you are done until you are ready to play it again. I hope that you have enjoyed this demo. I hope that you enjoy and use these devices and enjoy the hours of fun and educational learning that you will have the opportunity to take part in.
Now that you have been trained in how to operate the PlayAway Launchpad, are you interested in checking one out? Well, let's head down to Halifax, North Carolina, where our very own Miss Barb is going to show you the check-in and check-out process of the PlayAway Launchpad.
Hello. So you want to check out the awesome new PlayAway Launchpad devices. Great. Go to your local Halifax County Library System branch with your library card and your cell phone. You must be age 16 or older with a current library card in good standing and a cell phone that is able to be called so we can verify your contact information. If you do not have a library card that is current or you need to obtain one, then you'll need to bring a picture ID as well as the cell phone. Once we have your information entered into our system, the next step is to read the checkout agreement form so you know the rules. We can give you a copy of them to take with you, but they will also be found on our website in case you forget. There are two ways to check out the device. One is for in-library use only, which requires a library card, but you'll also be given a set of earbuds. The other is for a 7-day period that you can take home. If you are a visitor to the area, we can give you a guest pass, but you will still need a valid picture ID and cell phone for verification. There are different types of Launchpads aimed at different ages, but they are all educational and fun for all ages. To learn more about what kind are available, to view the agreement forms, or for more information, please check out our website or call your local branch. We are excited to be offering these new Launchpad devices to our patrons and hope you will check one out soon, starting on Monday, November 8th. Have a great day.
Now that you know how to operate, navigate, and check out one of the Launchpads, what are you waiting for? Why are you still sitting there? Grab your keys, jump in your vehicle, and head down to one of our 5 libraries in the Halifax County Library System, which are Halifax, Enfield, Littleton, Scotland Neck, and Weldon. and we will be more than happy to assist you in checking out one of our PlayAway Launchpads. Remember, we are the Halifax County Library System, where we are more than just books. We can't wait to see you.